So dito ilalagay nyo is January 30. So ano yung reference? So you can check yung email again. So ito yung reference niyo, transaction reference number 8888. So yan yung ilalagay nyo dito. Transaction reference 8888. So yung next natin is the description of this transaction. So yung customer natin is pwede nyo ilagay si Lazada. And then Citibank commission remittance. Ayan. So, yung entry natin yan is yung cash. So, yung natanggap natin is 2,445.33. Ilalagay natin dito. 2,445.33. So, yung i-credit naman natin, again, so naglagay din tayo dito ng credit accounts receivable. So, natanggap natin kasi yung receivable. So, to decrease yung receivable, kailangan natin siyang i-credit. So, dito, gumawa tayo ng column dito na credit accounts receivable. So, for the same amount, 2,445.33.